Welcome one, welcome all, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Letty here, and we are going to talk about Sephora's VIB sale. So this Beauty Insider sale that is going on from October 28th to November 7th, 2022, and I happened to go pick up some items. Now, one of my items is, I had a little snafu with Sephora, but it will be here. So let's get started. As you all know, I am a licensed esthetician. Actually, I'm a licensed full specialist. I'll put down on the screen what that means, but I love skincare. The basis of a great makeup application is always skincare, and I have always told my clients that. I have always reiterated to others of that, like friends, family, your makeup will not lay right unless you have the greatest skincare, or the skincare that'll work for your skin type, how your skin is. So you have combination, you have oily, you have dry, you have normal. So you can be a combination of all of those. You can be a combination of some of those. You can be like, I am normal dry. As you can see right now, I have on my skincare, so I'm a little glowing, but I don't have on anything else. So the Sephora items you need for some great skincare, in my opinion, is starting off with the cleanser. Like you can see, my bottle is almost gone, but this is the Youth to the People Kale plus Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. I love this cleanser, as you can clearly see. I continue to use it. I continue to buy it. I will go and get a refill after refill after refill because I love this cleanser. It's so gentle, yet it cleanses. It cleans off your skin, or it cleanses your skin. And as a black esthetician, I would say this is also good for my melanated queens. So while the Sephora VIB sale is going on, you might want to go get this bad boy. You know what I'm saying? This might be the move. So I have a few items from Youth to the People that I love. So the next one would be that you can use 2 to 3 times a week, or 1 to 3 times a week. This is the Yerba made Resurfacing Energy Facial. It's basically like a microdermabrasion in a jar, which is amazing. It doesn't matter the skin type, but if you notice some areas where you're dry, you might not want to use this, but use this on the areas that you have issues with, like you're breaking out, your uneven skin tone. Like, it has cleared up a lot of my dark spots. But this is the Yerba Mate Resurfacing, and it's by Youth to the People as well. And I love this. This is like my second jar, and I just keep repurchasing. Now, the third item that I use from Youth to the People, and I love this product, I use this every day, morning and night, is the 15% vitamin C plus clean caffeine energy serum. It brightens and firms depuffs, and this is by Youth to the People. So it looks like this. I absolutely truly love this product. I use it every day, and this is my second bottle. It's a 1 fluid ounce bottle, and you need only a couple of pumps per day to just do after your whatever. If you have an essence to use, I use this after my essence. So, and the fourth and final product that I absolutely love, I use it at the nighttime because I use a rosehip seed oil during the day. So this is the Youth to the People Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream Kale plus Spinach Hyaluronic Acid. It's a moisturizer, and yes, this is everything. It's like a little greeny. It looks white on camera, but it's a little green, like a little mint color, and it feels so good on the skin. and that is a part of my night care routine. I really love this. Let me know if you all want to see a skincare routine night and morning down in the comments. And then to do like a mask, I do the Fat Glow Facial by Henriksen, and this is how it looks, and I absolutely love this. Basically it's a mask, but it has FHAs and Nordic Birch app in it, and this is amazing. When I feel like my skin is freaking out, yeah, I'm gonna grab this. And then another product that I absolutely love and is very much on the affordable end of skincare, you can get it from Sephora. Like I said, there's the VIB sale or the Beauty Insider sale going on. Go get it. This is my organic cold pressed rosehip seed oil by The Ordinary, and it's 100% organic, and this is how it looks. I use this in the morning and it absolutely makes my skin, as you can see, it's still glowing from this morning. Like what skincare you know is still glowing from this morning, still looking as fresh as ever. And I'm tired, okay? I'm tired. The next one would be, is also by The Ordinary. It is the Caffeine Solution, and I use this under my under eyes. It's Caffeine Solution 5% plus ECGC, and this is eye contour pigmentation. It reduces the appearance of eye contour pigmentation and of puffiness. So this is how it looks. I absolutely positively love this, and I have repurchased because I'm like almost out, so I have repurchased it recently, and I will continue to repurchase because it just helps the puffiness under my eyes, and it makes me feel so refreshed and awake in the morning. So that's what we're going for. The next item from skincare would be The Ordinary's Hyaluronic Acid 2% plus B5. And as you can see, I got the big bottle. I don't know if you can see, it's down to the very last drop around these parts, but I did repurchase. So this is how that looks, and I love this paired with the rosehip seed oil, and then I use a sunscreen that I really completely love. So that is all of the skincare items you would need from Sephora's Beauty Insider sale, and that is coming from a licensed esthetician. Like I said, I stand by these products. I use these products. I love these products. Now on to makeup. Oh my gosh, there's so many good and new items, but my OGs, my Fenty Beauty setting powder. It's open because I'm about to get into it, but this is the Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch setting powder, and this is in the shade Hazelnut. I have them in many different colors or shades because I am a makeup artist as well, so I use those on my clients. I love these products. And also another good powder would be the One Size. I know I have the mini one. This was for me to test this out, but I will be purchasing the bigger one for the Sephora Beauty Insider sale because look at this. It's such a finely milled powder that you need this in your life. I'm sorry to say, but yes, this right here you need. Absolutely. Next items that you will need is also the One Size Secure the Blur primer, and I absolutely love this primer. It has kind of replaced my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip primer, which is also a good primer. Don't sleep on that one, but this one has taken over my life, like beyond my life, you know what I'm saying? Like, I love this. Some more makeup items that I am loving would be the Jouer Essential High Coverage Cream Foundation. It's hyaluronic acid, is matte, is oil free. I absolutely love this foundation. I absolutely love this foundation for a number of reasons. I seen online on Sephora, they don't have great reviews, but I love this foundation. This foundation has like amazed me. I did not think it was going to do what it was going to do, but it has completely amazed me, and I will continue to use it. Another product that you all have seen me use in all of my videos is a product I stand by. Okay, I stand by this, and because it's such a good slept on product, but it is the Jouer High Coverage Essential Concealer. These concealers are everything. You hear me? They're hydrating because they have hyaluronic acid in it, but it just, I absolutely love that concealer. It's the only concealer I use because the absolute finish of it and how it looks on my skin is amazing to me. That is melanated queen friendly, black girl friendly. You hear me? Another beautiful favorite of mine is the Rare Beauty liquid blushes. So I have two of them, and this is Happy and this is Joy. Happy, joy, joy, happy, happy, joy, joy. But I love these. A little bit goes a long way. They look so beautiful on the skin. They just give you that flush of color that you need. So like I said, these must have. Now, if you are looking for the perfect red for the holiday season, or just because you like to wear red lipstick, I'm gonna put you on to something that I think people are sleeping on right now, but it is the Give by Gwen Stefani, and it is her original recipe liquid red lipstick in the shade I'm Still Here. Now this has the perfect blue undertone in this particular lipstick, so it's perfect for all skin colors, all complexion colors. I love this because it can go with me, it can go with my darker cousin. She has a darker complexion, she's very beautiful, chocolate queen. It can go for the fairest of the fair, it can go for the darkest of the dark. This right here, because it has a blue undertone to it, is everything. I love this. Another item that I would say to get is the NARS Soft Matte Concealer. I use this as an eyebrow, like to clean up under my brows. I also use it as a primer sometimes because it's so matte. It's not a lot of oils that can come through this, so try this out as well. And also the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation, amazing. The Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation, try them. I do have them, but there's a foundation that I have been completely loving. It is the Haus Labs Triclone Skin Tech Foundation, and this right here, honey, listen, this right here is amazing. The way it's so hydrating but still full coverage for me. I know it says medium coverage, but the way this thing sits on the skin, the way it melts into the skin, yes ma'am, yes ma'am, yes sir. So get that foundation while you can and while it's on the Beauty Insider sale. Also try the Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Charlotte Tilbury. Like I said, this right here is it sets the makeup so well, and it also smells good. So I spray this on my clients and they're like, what are you spraying? And I'm like, it's the Charlotte Tilbury. It's amazing. Next thing I am going to say is the Danessa Myricks. I have two Danessa Myricks products, and this is the Twin Flames, and this is the Infinite Chrome Flakes in the shade Hot Lava. And this, like I said, this is the multi-chrome pigment. These right here are awesome sauce, okay? So this is how this color is, look at that. It's they say multi-chrome for a reason, yo. Like, do y'all see that color? Like, all of the colors, not like, I literally want all of the colors. I'm not even gonna hold you. They have this one that I really want, but it was out, so yeah, that part. And then this this infinite chrome flakes, it's like I can use it as a topper. It's just so nice and beautiful and creamy, and look at that. Look at that. Of course it's not going anywhere, but it's such a beautiful color, and it's multi-chrome for real. Okay, try out these products. And some recent purchases I just got for the Sephora VIP sale. I just got this Versace parfum. It's parfum, I'm sorry. It's the Dylan Blue Eau de Parfum natural spray. I just got this one. This one actually just came out from Versace, and this scent is just so, it's like a mix in between male and female, if you catch my drip, but it's like a clean scent. Try it out. Try it out while the sale is going on. That's all I'm saying. Try it out. And then it's 30% off Sephora collection. So these Lily lashes normally are like $28. They were like $19. Go get them. You know, Lily lashes are good quality lashes. And my favorite lash glue that I will always stand by is the House of Lashes lash adhesive. This is the transparent clear, or clear transparent, and it goes on so smoothly, and it stays. It stays. You hear me? Like, it's not going anywhere. I got the Give Eye See and Sparkle. Is multi-dimensional eye pigment in the shade Twinkle. Now these just came out. I just saw these on the Instagram. Like, and if you're not following Give by Gwen Stefani, what are you doing? But it's such pretty packaging. Look at that. And it's a pigment, and it's so glittery and beautiful. Like, I haven't opened it, but I've played with it in the store, and I can't like wait to use this. It's such, as you can see, it's like on my fingers. It's such a pretty color. You all, like, I'm in makeup heaven. I am in makeup heaven. And last but not least, I did also get Sephora collection eye pencils. So I have a colorful, it's 12-hour waterproof crayon. This is in the shade My Boyfriend's Jeans. It's like this electric blue color. Oh, I love it. And then I have this like lime green, lime yellow, whatever you want to say, and it's also waterproof. It's there in this shade Lime Green Matte, and it's like this. Yo. So if you all are shopping the Sephora VIP sale or the Beauty Insider sale, let me know the items you get in the comments below. And if you've tried any of these items, are you gonna run and get them? Let me know. Because, and if you didn't see the item that you wanted me to try in the comments below, let me know so I can go and try them, hopefully before the sale is over with. But thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. And with that being said, it's your girl Letty, and I'm out. Peace.